Are you or someone you know struggling with arthritis? This common condition can cause pain, stiffness, and affect daily life. But what really causes it? And are there natural ways to manage or even prevent it? In today's video, we'll dive into the underlying triggers of arthritis and explore effective natural treatments that could bring relief. The causes of arthritis vary depending on the type, but a combination of genetic, lifestyle, and environmental factors generally play a role in its onset and progression. 1. Genetic factors. Genetics can play a significant role in an individual's susceptibility to arthritis. Certain genes are linked to autoimmune conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis. For example, specific human leukocyte antigen, HLA genes, can increase the risk of RA, leading the immune system to attack joint tissues mistakenly. Family history can be a contributing factor in osteoarthritis as well, particularly if parents or grandparents experienced joint degeneration early in life. 2. Age and joint wear. As people age, the cartilage that cushions the joints naturally wears down, leading to osteoarthritis. This breakdown in cartilage results in bones rubbing against each other, causing pain, stiffness, and inflammation. Age-related joint wear is common in weight-bearing joints like the knees and hips, where prolonged stress over the years can contribute to degeneration. While age is a non-modifiable risk factor, lifestyle modifications can mitigate its effects on joint health. 3. Autoimmune response. In autoimmune forms of arthritis, such as rheumatoid arthritis and psoriatic arthritis, the body's immune system erroneously targets its joint tissues, causing inflammation, pain, and potential joint damage. Factors such as genetics, infections, and possibly environmental triggers can stimulate an autoimmune response. Rheumatoid arthritis can affect multiple joints and may even impact organs, indicating the need for systemic management. 4. Injury or overuse of joints. Joint injuries, including fractures, dislocations, or cartilage tears, can increase the risk of arthritis later in life. High-impact sports or repetitive joint movements can cause long-term wear, particularly if proper recovery or treatment isn't sought after injuries. Injuries cause structural changes in joints that can alter their mechanics, leading to cartilage breakdown and early arthritis onset. 5. Obesity and mechanical stress. Excess body weight increases stress on weight-bearing joints like the knees, hips, and spine. This added stress accelerates cartilage wear and contributes to inflammation, making obesity a notable risk factor for osteoarthritis. Additionally, fat tissue produces inflammatory substances that can contribute to systemic inflammation, exacerbating arthritis symptoms. 6. Infections and environmental triggers. Certain infections can contribute to the development of arthritis. For example, bacterial or viral infections can cause reactive arthritis, a form of arthritis that occurs as a reaction to infection. Environmental factors, such as exposure to toxins, pollution, and even smoking, have been linked to rheumatoid arthritis risk due to their potential to trigger immune responses. Natural treatments for arthritis focus on reducing inflammation, supporting joint health, and relieving pain. These treatments can be complementary to conventional medicine or act as standalone options for individuals seeking a more holistic approach. 1. Anti-inflammatory diet. Diet plays a crucial role in managing arthritis symptoms. Foods high in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce inflammation and pain. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines, nuts and seeds, berries, leafy greens, and olive oil are rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Avoiding processed foods, sugar, and refined carbohydrates can also reduce inflammatory markers, as these foods often contribute to systemic inflammation. 2. Herbal supplements. Several herbs have been studied for their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects in arthritis. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory properties and is commonly recommended for arthritis. Ginger, boswellia, Indian frankincense, and green tea extract are also known to reduce inflammation and pain. Regular consumption of these herbs, either through diet or supplements, can complement traditional treatments for joint pain and inflammation. 3. Exercise and physical therapy. Regular low-impact exercise helps improve joint flexibility, strengthen muscles around the joints, and reduce stiffness. Activities like swimming, cycling, and walking are gentle on the joints and can help with weight management. Strength training and flexibility exercises, such as yoga or Pilates, can support the muscles around joints, reducing strain on the joints themselves. Physical therapy tailored to specific arthritis types can also help improve range of motion and reduce pain. 4. Hot and cold therapy. Heat and cold therapies are simple, effective methods for managing arthritis pain and inflammation. Applying a warm compress or taking a hot bath can help relax muscles, increase blood flow, and reduce stiffness in the joints. Cold therapy, such as an ice pack, can help numb painful areas and reduce swelling. Alternating between hot and cold therapy can provide substantial pain relief for those with arthritis. 5. Acupuncture. Acupuncture, an ancient Chinese practice, has shown potential in reducing arthritis pain by stimulating specific points on the body. This practice may help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and release endorphins, which are the body's natural pain relievers. While more studies are needed to confirm its effectiveness for arthritis, many individuals report improved pain levels and mobility after regular acupuncture sessions. 6. Mind-body practices. Stress can worsen arthritis symptoms by triggering inflammatory responses in the body. Practices such as meditation, tai chi, and deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Mind-body practices encourage a focus on breathing, gentle movement, and mindfulness, helping to manage pain perception and improve overall mental health. Chronic pain management benefits from a strong mind-body connection, with research indicating these practices can reduce arthritis symptoms over time. 7. Vitamin and mineral supplements. Nutrient deficiencies can exacerbate arthritis symptoms, and certain vitamins and minerals can support joint health. For example, vitamin D is essential for bone health, while vitamin C supports collagen synthesis, a key component of joint cartilage. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Other helpful supplements include glucosamine and chondroitin, which may help protect cartilage, and niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, which can reduce inflammation and improve joint flexibility. 8. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight can significantly reduce arthritis symptoms, especially for those with osteoarthritis. Losing even a small amount of weight can relieve pressure on the joints, especially the knees, hips, and lower back. A balanced diet, combined with regular exercise, can help achieve and sustain a healthy weight, ultimately reducing pain and improving mobility. 9. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for reducing inflammation and allowing the body to heal. Lack of sleep can increase pain sensitivity and worsen arthritis symptoms. Creating a sleep-friendly environment, establishing a regular sleep schedule, and reducing screen time before bed can improve sleep quality. Additionally, managing stress through meditation or deep breathing before bed can lead to more restful sleep, helping to reduce arthritis symptoms over time. That wraps up our video on the causes of arthritis and natural treatments. We hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. Remember, small lifestyle changes and natural remedies can make a big difference in managing arthritis and improving your quality of life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Have any questions or remedies that work for you? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and take care of your joints. Thank you.